Okay, we are live on Facebook on District 6920, and we have Kelsey. She is the Assistant Rotary Public Image Coordinator for Zone 34. So what are some tips that you want folks watching from each club to do?
Sure. So most important for public image, make sure that you are tying this in with your membership chair and your foundation chair. All of those three things, those three components are super important to go together. They all coincide. So use public image to talk about the things that you're doing with the foundation as well as to attract new members.
Very good. And you also mentioned a video contest.
Yes. So our zone has a video club contest, so each club can enter a video. If you're in the state of Georgia, send your videos to me. You can also send them to Marjorie Young. She can get them to me. But make sure that you are doing a video that's 2 minutes or less. We have tips and tricks for you. But really just have fun, be creative, and show what your club personality is like. That's what we really want out of those videos. They'll be published on myrotarystory.org. That is our zone public image website.
So, and also talk about the PR citations. What are they?
Sure. So the public image citation, there's 2 different awards you can get. We can get a superstar award, which is like platinum, everything. You do everything on the list. But otherwise, you have a good general public image citation. This is a great way for clubs to really enhance their public image and their group, also districts. But really, we give you some suggestions of things that you can do in your club to grow your public image strategy, and we give you an award for it.
So, Kelsey, why would you say public image is so important for Rotary?
If nobody knows what your club is doing, there won't be any new members, and you won't have any people for projects to do, really. I mean, a lot of times we find projects based on people hearing about Rotary or Rotarians going out and finding something that is really in need or someone that's in need. So if the public doesn't know who we are and what we're doing, we're really not going to exist anymore.
Well, I look forward to hearing your presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you for what you do.
Thank you.